How to mix songs on Spotify easy guide. Ever wished you could have a playlist that just flows, where every song blends perfectly into the next? Well, Spotify has a built-in mix feature that does exactly that, and in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set it up from scratch. Welcome back to the channel, I'm Daniel, and today we're diving into Spotify's mix playlist feature. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own custom mix up and running. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Spotify and head to your homepage. You'll see a plus button at the bottom of your screen. Tap it. This opens your playlist creation options. Step 2. Look for the option that says Mixed Playlist. If you don't see it, here's the deal. This feature is exclusive to Spotify Premium users. So if you're on the free plan, you'll need to upgrade first before you can access this. Step 3. Once you tap Mixed Playlist, give your playlist a name. Something fun, something that fits your vibe, then hit Create. Step 4. Now it's time to add your songs. You can either choose from Spotify's recommendations or tap Add to Playlist to search and handpick your own tracks. Load it up with songs you love. Step 5. Here's where the magic happens. Once your songs are added, you'll notice the Mix button inside the playlist. Tap it and Spotify will automatically start playing and blending your songs together based on your music selection. Smooth, seamless, and zero effort on your part. Pro tip: the more songs you add, the smarter and more varied your mix becomes. Aim for at least 15 to 20 tracks so Spotify has enough variety to keep things fresh every time you hit play. And that's it. In just 5 simple steps, you've created a fully mixed playlist on Spotify that plays like a professional DJ set. No extra apps, no complicated settings, just great music flowing perfectly. If this helped you out, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel more than you know. Subscribe so you never miss a tutorial, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of playlist you just created. I'd love to know. It's been Daniel, I'll see you in the next one.